Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Taking a look at this RayBan model RB2132 in color code 6053/71. It's a matte blue transparent color frame. On the temples here we have a RayBan writing in silver. This is the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, right over there it says that. Has RayBan writing inside of the temple. On the other side of the temple it has a RayBan writing as well. The lenses are a gray gradient color. The style of the frame is new Wayfarer. Up here we have a RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.